Hi, I'm Juhi Sharma. I'm currently working as a product manager in aviation industry, and total experience is 6.5 years. My all the experience is in product management only. I started as a product analyst, and then I joined as an APM in I was working with Phenom people as an APM. I worked there for 2.5 years. Then I joined as a PM in an aviation industry. So after completing my bachelor's in computer science, I joined a startup in Delhi where I was working as an analyst, product analyst, working on data related problems, where I found that I'm interested in data as well as product. So that's the reason I started searching for something to upskill myself, and I found IPL to go ahead and choose this career path. Top 3 reasons why I have choose IPL is the first one. There are very few options which focuses specifically on product. So this is the one. Second one is that we do get a lot of things even after completing our course. So we do get a lot of support from the IPL. And then the third thing is the course is all about all the industry experts, teachers. That's the best part, because this is not like the traditional MBA which we're doing here. So the classes were in the evening when the faculties are available. They used to join us. We're doing the certain course for 15 days, and it was like that. So 3 things which I really enjoyed with the IBL is that there are the EMBA courses or the certification courses. Those are really experienced people who are really working and they have good experience. So we really got a chance to work with them on their startup ideas. We joined their team, worked with them. We used to go and meet them and then work on their ideas. So this really helped us to learn initial phase, learn at the initial phase. Second thing is the industry experts which taught us. That's the second thing which helped us, because the traditional MBA or the traditional courses will be like the book or the exams which we do, but the exams are really different here. It's the skillathon, or you just have to present the case study, what you have learned. It's like that. So this was the helpful thing. And then the sessions. Apart from the study, the courses which we are doing on daily basis, we used to have the career sessions, how we can plan for a career path, what roles we can look at even after the course, or which really helped me to align myself what I'm looking at even after the course. So first thing is when you're learning, focus on skills as well, upskilling yourself. For example, when I did my MBA, agentic AI was nowhere, but now you see agentic AI is all over the market. So try to upskill yourselves with the market trends. Second thing is even before completing your course, go and see the market, what product role looks like. There are different types of role in product, like product marketing, product growth, data, like that. So you just go out of market trends and understand what you're aligned with, what you really want to do, or what you would like to be after 5 years, how you see yourself, like that. So that is really important. And third thing is just don't stick with the course. Go outside, meet people, networking, because it will really help you when you are going in finding the job. So I think these are the 3 things which people should focus on.